before I start this video, I just want to say this guy on here, you know, he's hosting a non-profit-based survey. So here's the chat right here.
Time to tell.
Anyway, he says, who has made more questionable, alarming choices? You think Trump made more alarming choices than Obama?
I don't know, I'm just saying Trump is Trump trained, boy.
Trump train! Anyway, Anyway, guys, Discord server is down in the description. Why am I recording this? To geek is go to Discord server, because we love you.
And we need more people
Okay, so
to
the
join.
majority agree on Obama. Next question. I'm sorry if I'm about to expose this thing, so I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna turn my game volume to 0. Hold up. I don't know if that'll help you guys, but there you go. So if you didn't hear me before, this guy's like doing this weird BuzzFeed survey. So I decided, you know, to participate in the survey because who wants to get scammed? Me. I'm just kidding. And our Discord server link is down in this description.
I killed him, so he's about to type again. Maybe he's not. What?
Maybe he's just typing right now. I'm gonna talk like a British person when I read this. How many kills do I have?
I want to do the voice.
Who is ready for the next question?
Who is ready for the... okay, let's see how it is.
Okay.
Me.
Dude, just hurry up with the next question. I'm not even like trying to kill anybody. I'm just like walking around while reading chat, and people keep killing me. It's like, how rude.
Why is this new shotgun? Buff? Question mark? Answer down below.
Is the new shotgun OP? Find out in the next episode of Dragon Ball Z.
As I kill someone.
Since Obama is very bad by your point, would you have him in office again? Hell no!
No offense to any black people.
No offense to any Obama supporters or anything. And I don't want to get into politics because, you know, I don't really want to do politics right now. But I am a Republican, a proud Republican, and, yeah. I'm not going to say why I don't like Obama because I have my reasons, but I don't hate him. He's just a bad president. Anyway, yeah.
Clinton's not good people. Tung, 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 tung. Oh,
Okay,
I died.
survey is done.
What?
That was it. Oh my god. I wasted my whole magazine on this guy and he didn't die and then he just kills me with a revolver.
Oof.
I know. I ribbon chat. I don't know if people, but okay. You know, I'm rushing Vector now.
They buffed the HK again.
Is there anything you would like to say for the comments on BuzzFeed? Sub to my YouTube channel.
I want more corn.
What is the channel? Oh, shit! You type it in. You go. You're on this channel, too. Loud and proud. Ducks on drugs, yeah!
We are a non-profit organization.
Yeah, I like how he says that. Like, we joined this thing, and this guy joins, and he goes, we're a non-profit organization, and it's freaking BuzzFeed. I hate BuzzFeed. Like, there's so many freaking ads on there. You don't even get to the actual article.
I'm looking for content.
Ducky, what's the he just said it!
By the way, have you mentioned our Discord server?
I hope this isn't a scam. If this is a scam, I shouldn't have told them what our YouTube channel was. Oh, fuck. Okay, no.
Did I forget to mention we have a Discord channel, guys, and we really need some people to join it. So
Yeah, and actually talk in chat.
yeah, don't be like that one gay guy that's like, "Hey, I'm gonna join your Discord server." I ain't joining our Discord server. Doesn't talk. What do you mean?
Alright, guys. Discord server is down in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed this mini clip, and I'll see you guys next time.
Did I forget to tell you